Hey there, Everton here. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'd like to show my new project that is an e-commerce where I'm selling some landing page templates. So first of all, let me get started with the home page. Here we are seeing two sections here, two banners. The first one is always appearing to all locations that basically has a button that is directs to the PLP where the user can see the templates and also a button to see how he can request in a custom template according to their business. And yeah, it can be requested via email. So here we have the button and explaining how it works, right? So that's it. Here we have the second banner that is only appearing for Brazilians. So if you are located in Brazil, this banner will be appearing for you, but if you are in any other place, it will not appearing for you. Yeah, that's just an information. Here we have a product carousel showing the feature templates. At this moment, I don't have much feature templates, so this is the products appearing here, and clicking on the card it will be redirected to the PDP, as for example this one, right? Let me back to the home page to show the rest. And here we have a section about the supports that we are offering. So first we offer support for small chains, for medium chains, and for full custom template. When you access the PDP for any of these products, we have detail what it means, and also if the user buy it and we don't agree with the customer, it will be refunded without any problems. And if the customer has any question or problem, he can contact clicking on this button that will say how he can contact us. Basically, sending an email. All right. Yeah, here we have other information good to know as well. So like we have the terms explaining the legal terms, privacy, how we use the customer information. About the email address, we use only to send the download link, payment details. We are not storing this information. We are only using that processing with Stripe. The backend doesn't use this information. This is sending direct to Stripe, and it's not being stored. Yeah, and here I have a button to create a new account, and this e-commerce is writing in Portuguese as well. So if you are located in a place that speaks in Portuguese, like Brazil and Portugal, it will be showing the website in Portuguese initially. But as my browser is in English and everything else is in English, it's using English by default. Alright, so I'm currently logging. So when we are logging, we have a page to see the profile, and it is the profile like the password, and also a page to see the orders when we have an order, and also a button to log out. I will log out to show the current experience when the customer just visited the commerce, and I will click on get started. When we click on get started, we are redirected to the PLP with all the products, and here we have some items. I don't have much templates yet, and I'm not sure if I will be adding much here. All these templates I created using AI because this spend a lot of time in. I just use that to create it. All this e-commerce, all these products I made it for fun, but if someone wants to buy it, feel free to use. This is my first project using Vibe code. This was uh, a lot of fun. So okay, so here the filter, it's working, as you can see, and I also had filters, but I commented that out because I think it will, as we don't have much products, I don't think makes sense to have a filter here. I think only the search is enough when we don't have much products, right? So click on support products like small changes. It's specifying how it works, right? So what it means in small changes, it means replacing alt text to with your business content. So if the customer, for example, buy a template but he wants to change all the content, I and the user buy this item as well, I could edit the template for the customer and send the whole thing done. You know, it also means update colors, sizes, and specific change that is quickly to implement. And I have also the medium and the complete templates to implement if the user wants, but it's quite inexpensive because it will spend more time with me using AI. Okay, so uh, we the user can sign in here, can click on forgot password, show recover the account. He can sign up here. I already have an account and my account is an admin, so I will be using my account to show this page here as well. So the user can, the admin can create a new product here. So it's cool. We have the product name, the price, and here it's very cool because we're having a component to show in the PDP with a hike text component. And here is the rail to access the product when the user buy. And here's the preview link. I will show you in a moment. Here is the stock. So if you select limited, it will ask for the quantity that we have. But as I'm selling landing pages and it's a digital product, it doesn't make sense. So it's only a limit. And we have image. I can paste the URL here from the image, or I can upload a new image here and it should work. So for example, I upload here, it will paste the URL that was created using the IBB API. That's an image service. Here I can add tags for each template as well. And the same thing happens when we try to edit the product. So I can edit the product here, edit tags, remove, and etc. I can use a format here as well. This product actually is not using that. Let me show you with this one. And when I click here, as you can see, it's using this format, and it will, here's the preview and how it will appear in the PDP. Okay, so I think I can choose a product now to buy. So just let me show you a preview. So for example, when we are in the PDP, all the templates has this button, preview template. That is a version deployed of the template that the user can see before buying. It was generated by AI. I just review it and ask it for more things. And look that it's in Portuguese, but it also has the version in English. The customer can just change a boolean variant in a JSON, and it will use English or Portuguese or both. In this case, we are using both to show the both results. And yeah, this is an example of template. And for this specific case, it's in 147 reais. But if you are not in Brazil, it will not show in reais. It will be showing in dollar, right? So I'm not adding this item to the cart because it's quite expensive. I will add another one like this one, and this one also has a preview like the others. also has in English. Oh, it's currently not working in English, but anyway, let's skip that part. It should be translated, but the button should be bugged probably. Okay, so I will click on Add to Cart, checkout, and as I'm logged, it already filled the information here. We just needed to fill the name and the email, and the user can fill here the card number, but we are using the Stripe component, so it uses this link integration to automatically save our card, and the user don't need it to fill all the time. So I'm currently has card saved here, so just click the checkbox and we are able to proceed with the purchase. So clicking here, it will process the payment, and the payment is confirmed. So if I take a look at my phone and open the bank app, I will see that it was discounted in my card. So here is the order details, and when I click on download, it will direct to a drive with the template in a zip format. So if we download this and unzip, we have here the documentation explaining how to set up it. It's opening. So as you can see here, and we also has it on readme, and here is the code basically. And yeah, here we have it in the data all the text of the template. So if you edit something here, it will automatically update it in the template. So all the templates has this structure of on JSON that contains all the text to make easier to the customer which finds the content. And I think that's it. I think that's all. If you are interested in buying any of these templates, feel free to buy. If you find any problem here, or if you have any question, please drop a comment below. Thank you for watching.